If you are getting a 1 or a 2 in row B for your AP Lang argument essays, then I have a couple tips for you. First, we're going to need to talk about selecting specific evidence because if you get a 1 or a 2, you either have generalized evidence or somewhat specific evidence. So let me give you an example. Earlier today, I was helping a tutoring student brainstorm an essay for the Striving for Perfection prompt. And so the evidence that the student came up with was bodybuilders and how they strive for perfection. Good idea, but it's not specific enough for an AP Lang essay. And the reason why I say that is because it's kind of a generalization. You could make it work, but it would be better if there was a specific person. So when you are coming up with your evidence, think proper nouns. So specific events or specific people. Be really careful of generalized time periods like the Civil War, the American Revolution, because those, while they are a proper noun, are still a bit broad. So step 1 is make sure that you actually have specific evidence. You can even use personal experience. Step 2 is going to be your commentary. So you want to think about, why did I choose this example in the first place? How does it actually prove my thesis? And so you want to talk about what that example shows. So if you're getting a 1 in row B, I want you to include the word shows, or better yet, a synonym for it. So illustrates, highlights, suggests, demonstrates, any of those. And I want you to include the word because. Now that's a quick fix, but that will help you get some commentary to push you from that 1 to a 2. To go from a 2 to a 3, you want to make sure you're developing your commentary and being specific as opposed to making these like sweeping generalizations. Anyway, if you are scoring on the lower end of any of the AP Lang rubrics, there's still time before the exam, so make sure you're following along for more tips. And if you happen to be interested in tutoring, I do offer that on a platform called OutSchool. You can find that information in my profile.